Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be telling you how to create avatar video for free with the help of AI through Credo AI website. This website is totally free of cost. How long it will stay free of cost we don't know, but right now it's totally free, so let's start the video. So firstly, you have to open this website. credoai.com link has been given in the descriptions also.
Firstly, you will have to open this website, credoai.com. Just you will have to type Credo AI. Then this link will come, credoai.com. Just open it. Then firstly, you will have to register. If you have registered it, just simply logged in, start creating. Then you will have to start video creation, copywriting, picture creation, whatever you want to do. It is just amazing. So let's start the video. Firstly, I want to create a video. So let's start the video. Click on video creation, start creating. So there are so many characters: USA, Asian, Japan, Korean, Southeast Asian, Indian character, Middle East. So as much as you want, if you want to choose any one, you can choose it. Let me choose one. I choose this one. Then you will have to choose the language type: USA, Chinese, English, UK English, African, South African, Hindi English, any language you can choose it. So let me choose English, US. You can choose any kind of voices, male, guy, any kind of, as per your convenience you can choose it. Then you will have to choose the language style, like they are assistant, chat, customer service. So I'm just creating a video like I want to support someone, so I will select here assistant. Then you will have to write the text, whatever text you want to just create videos about. So let me type the text. So already type the text. So then firstly you will have to listen this how it looks like.
Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create a AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So this was all, guys. Then you will have to click on generate video. Just click on that. Then you will have to come to the my project and your video is ready. Let me play the video.
Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create a AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So this was the video, guys. So just you will have to nothing, you will have to just open this website and you will have to click on video creation. You will have to start creating. You can choose whatever character you want to choose the language type, character tone, language style, any language you can just choose it, write the text and just generate the video. This was all. Then it will take hardly 1 to 5 minutes to create your video. Then you will have to come to my project and all the videos will be visible. You can just download the videos as you want. See, the video starts downloading and you can just open it and you can just use it in anywhere you want. See, this is my video. Let me show you the full
Hello
video.
guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create a AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day.
So look at the quality, guys. How it is good. It is totally in 4K, 4K up to 4K, 8K videos. You can just edit it and you can just use it in YouTube videos anywhere you want. So this website is just amazing. So thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching. Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, you learned about how to create a AI generated video for free. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel if you want to support us. Have a good day. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? In today's video, I will be telling you about how to create a full AI video like this video for free. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to search credoai.com in the Google, then this website will open.